Hey guys, Gary Dean, Detailjuice.com, and diversification is the key to long-term success. I'm going to show you how I'm diversifying right this second. So I've got a brand new 3-product shoe detailing lineup, one of which is a cleaner, which obviously it will clean. I started cleaning a little bit here. I'm going to do some demos. I wanted to shoot this video so I could show you guys how it works. It's one thing for me to talk about. It's another thing for you to see it. So I got the cleaner. The cleaner is gentle on the fabric, the leather, and all of that, but highly effective at removing dirt, grime, and all of that your shoes get into every single day. The second product is a lotion. It is a conditioner for leather, vinyl, all of that stuff, but it also will basically... The less complicated explanation is that it will help you to retain the elasticity in the leather, vinyl, whatever surface it's used on, and it helps with stress cracks not turning into real cracks in the leather or vinyl or whatever. So it will help to retain the flexibility so it'll stretch and basically just last longer and look better while it's lasting. The other one is a UV blocking waterproofer. This is for suede, leathers, that kind of stuff that would see rain or water a lot. This is really going to help if you are using your boots or shoes outside. So we won't be using the UV blocking waterproofer on these shoes right this second, but you absolutely can. You can even use it on the surround that's all fabric and that kind of thing, or on the total shoe. But for this particular situation, the conditioner also has a UV inhibitor in it. So it does water. It will repel water really well, and it will also protect from the sun's harmful UV rays. So without further ado, I like to use these waffle weave towels, and the kits that I sell with these products will come in kits. The kit will include a couple waffle weave towels. I really like them for cleaning up these shoes and that kind of thing. But I also like a soft bristled brush. I like that toothbrush. So you just spray the cleaner on, then you literally just take a brush and you try to scrub what you can off. Use the cleaner as much as you need. It's not going to hurt anything. These are just 1 ounce bottles just for this demo. I think the kit's going to be 8 ounce, either 4 or 8. I haven't completely decided yet. But you can see just with a little bit of scrubbing right here, I'm not only removing the dirt, but also a lot of that yellowing is coming off too. It's all about just working it a little bit. And that's kind of where we're at right now, is we're just trying to see how dirty that is back there. You can absolutely use the waffle weave towel, and I'll show you just right there. See the difference? How clean that is? Now we'll spray. Can't keep anything on this table. We'll spray a little bit more, then we'll take that toothbrush and we'll get in all these little cracks and crevices. I have kind of a shoe fetish, and I've been working on this for a while. I probably have, I don't know, 70 or 80 pairs of shoes. So anyway, when you're done with that, just give it another spray. You can go into scrubbing the sole if you want. Some people care, some people don't care, but here's the thing. If you're going to do it, you may as well do it right. So that's how I do it. That is the Gary Dean way. So there ain't no doubt that looks better than that. One's white, one's not. Yes, we can get that better, no problem. But for this demo, and again, you'd pull your laces out and you'd wash them. You'd wash those laces in the washing machine because they're fabric. You absolutely can coat the fabric with the UV blocking waterproofer as well. So you can coat your, you know what I'm saying. You can coat your interior of the shoe if you want, your tongue, your laces, all of that would benefit from this stuff. It works so easy and so well. I mean, look at it. You cannot even deny always something when I'm trying to film a video in this house. But you can see how a lot of that yellowing has gone away already. So as we work our way around the shoe, start working on the sole a little bit more. It's all about just having the right tools to do the job. And these 3 products, I'm telling you, really are the right tools to do the job. They're not going to damage anything at all. In fact, they are going to bring your old beat up shoes that still have some life in them back to life. And that's what it's about for me. Is, you know, you wear your shoes a while, you beat them up, but they cost a lot, especially, you know, your higher end shoes, your Jordans, you know, even these Nikes aren't cheap. I mean, I think these Air Force Ones are like $80.
90.
It's not cheap, you know, so, you know, things need to last longer, and the way you do it is you clean them up. Just like your car, just like regular detailing products for your car. So now I've done the whole shoe. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe with the cleaner all over. And then we're going to compare it to the other shoe. And now here's the thing. We're not going to get rid of wear. The wear happens. Yes, you can get some shoe polish or whatever, but that's a mess. But here's the thing, man. This looks awesome. It looks great. It looks a heck of a lot better than this. And that's where we're at. Again, this is just a very basic detail on these shoes. Now we've got the lotion and conditioner. What I recommend you do with that is you put a little bit on a towel. Just like so. And then you rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. It will offer you a coating that you can tell is there, and if they got wet outside, the water will bead up, and you'll know that it's protected, just like, you know, fresh wax or whatever on your car. You use this lotion on every surface, even the sole, because the soles need love too. This is, again, just a very basic demo video for you guys to see, just a quick version of how this stuff works. You can knock the shine down by, you know, switching to a clean part of the towel. But basically, with exception of, you know, all the wear, I would definitely say that the 2 shoes here look completely different. So I got it clean. Yeah, I should probably wash the laces. I mean, it really wouldn't have hurt to throw the whole shoe in the washer machine. I don't really ever like that because they fall apart. But the laces will be fine, or even replace them. I mean, those are cheap enough, but to replace laces is $5 or $6. To replace these shoes is $80 to $100. So you can see this one looks great. Still a little bit worn, but very presentable. And if you're wearing jeans, you can't see the laces anyway. So this has been Gary Dean, Detailjuice.com. I got to teach my camera girl where to put the camera most of the time, just because she doesn't know. But it's obvious, right? Which one's clean? I mean, enough said. All I did was a basic detail. I cleaned and conditioned these shoes. I want to do more with the laces. I would use the UV blocking waterproofer on the laces for sure, and any like fabric parts, that's what that's good for, or suede, that kind of thing. But There's a dirty shoe, there's a clean shoe, and these are, what do you say, over a year old?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
A year at Christmas.
Yeah, so these are 10 months old. She wears them every single day, and this is the result that you get when you clean them up. Again, very basic demo, but I'm going to do a pre-release of the small kit I'm going to put together of all 3 products. It'll be 8 ounce of each product to get you rolling. Actually, that's a lot of product for some shoes. It's going to be $19.99 at Detailjuice.com. You'll be able to get this promo, and all the promos I hide in the Detailjuice gear category in the store. So when you go in there, you'll see a couple of promos already there. The One System training with the 2 Pro products is live. Also, the brand new off-road snow foam deal is still in there and live. And the next couple days, you will see the shoe detail kit in there as well. So check it out. Let me know if you've got any questions. I am going to be bringing this to market November 1st. They'll be available for official purchase. The whole kit will include a small brush, all 3 of the products probably in 4 ounce, I'm guessing, and then a couple white waffle weave towels, because I love them. They're aggressive enough to remove dirt and stuff without having to use a brush, but they're really soft on the materials here. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys to take the time to listen to me babble. Check out Detailjuice.com for all your detailing product needs, and thank you so much again just for your trust and support. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.